Okay. I think I am live. Let's see. Looks good. Okay, I'm live. Oh man, I gotta make this darker so I can see. Perfect dark. Whatever. I am invincible. Invincible. Morgan here. Okay, so we're gonna go over AWS. So this is the console, but I'm gonna jump into. See, I couldn't find this earlier today on another computer. Anyways, I'm gonna go into Cloud Quest. This thing's awesome. I'm just gonna do maybe 30 minutes. Alright, so here's my character level 3, 9 RP to level 4. I've unlocked a few things. I think I can just go down here and go into it. Compute solutions. Continue. Just continue. Oh, we just go straight into it. Okay, cool. I don't know if you want to see me or not. I'll put myself on here. Anybody keys? I think it's streaming okay. Alright. Here we go. Idea. So I went over all this stuff. This was pretty cool setting it up. I actually talked to AI earlier today. AI was the customer saying they're at school and they need to set up basically the AWS Systems Manager with the ET2 EC. They described a problem and these are the solutions. So the user is here. It can be an admin, I guess, at school. And they're going to be using these 3 services. System Manager. So number 1 here says the solution explores different methods for connecting EC2 instances. Number 2, you see it goes down here, these 2. So we're connecting or requesting a connection to Systems Manager. So if you go in here, System Manager, you have to basically turn it on, try it for free. I'm not going to do that. I'm really trying to get me to do that one. So I just turned it on. I turned on System Manager. And there's a lot of things inside System Manager. I watched dashboard. I think I just made a dashboard too. Run command, that was one of the answers for one of the questions. Secure and safe remote management at scale. So this manages EC2 instances, on-premise servers, or virtual machines with built-in safety controls. So Systems Manager looks really cool, really powerful, but I'm just going to skip back. Then number 3 goes down here to the EC2 instance. Oh, sorry. Down here to the terminal. So SSH connectivity through local terminal software. So request a connection from the user, and then it connects to the instance. The instance is here, the T3 micro. And that produces the import large. I don't really know how these 2 are connected yet. I'm going to find out. And here's instance metadata. And hopefully everyone understands metadata. Like, I'm thinking in HTTP. No, sorry. In the HTML document, it's usually at the top. I know what it looks like. It's not what you see when you go to the web browser, but you can see how it goes here. Metadata and then the web browser. Alright, next. Number 4, EC2 Instance Connect implements. Here it is. So we're requesting a connection from the user. The user's requesting these 3 things. And implements AWS IAM, Identity and Access Management Policies, and principles for SSH access controls. Alright. 5 is way over here. I don't know why the number's over here and the arrows are over here. This is web browser. Instance metadata details become accessible through a web browser. There it is. So the user can request instance metadata. So you see the 3 on the left and the 1 on the right. It's a different concept. So over here we're requesting, usage of these, and this one's requesting instance metadata. It goes over here, goes down to the T3 micro, then goes to instance metadata, then comes back to the web browser, which we're viewing. That's what we see on the screen. Number 6, way down here, resize is instance. Compute performance can be scaled. Obviously it's larger. I'm going to figure that out in a second. So learn, practice. Show the steps. So we're going to start it. So I did not do this yet. Oh, provisioning of AWS Lab. So it takes a minute. Not even a minute. It's like a ticking time bomb. Maybe during that time I can fix my webcam. I'll be doing this more at night, I think. Filters. Chroma key. Go back to default. I think you can see this. Defaults. Voila. I'm gonna keep it on green. Oh, and we got it open. Okay, let's open this baby. Here we go. It's not bad. All right. So I am logged in as a student. It is. Okay. So, scoot on it. Maybe if the screen's too small, maybe I can zoom in a little bit. Let me try. Oh, that was pretty big. It's really big. So we're gonna go back to look at number 1 here. So we're starting it up, follow the lab instructions. Number 2, EC2. So we're gonna type in EC2, click review. Easy enough, right? EC2, I don't need to type it in. I can just click on it right here. EC2. What has happened? I think it might be too zoomed in. Let's have a 2 graph. EC2, United States. I need to go to North Virginia. So I'm in North Virginia. I think that's it. This says confirm that you're North Virginia. Yeah, you don't have to do that. It's there. So we're going to go to instances and then next step. And then we're going to choose that review. Okay, here we go. So instances. Choose the first one. It might be too zoomed in. 110, 125. We'll do this. Again, let me get this sidebar out of the way. So here's our instance ID that's running. It's a T3 micro. This goes from the last, I don't know if you want to see me or not. I am so pretty. This, I can disappear. I kind of like that. Kind of like being gone from the picture. Okay, close that up. All right. Let's look back again. I'll get some rid of some of this other stuff. Or just push it to the far right. This. Oh yeah, this is the whole. This is my personal one. Push this way here. This is the student lab. And so first, I want this on another screen. I'm going to show you today. This is what it looks like. Oh, we got a viewer right now. Hey viewer, how's it going? You can chat if you want. Try to answer. Okay, so AWS computing, review, And below the details, review the instance details. So I don't really know what to review, so I'm just going to continue on. Now I go to instance types. So I'm just going to review real quick, like. Let me just zoom out a little quick. What do you need to see? I mean, anybody who looks at this stuff is like, yeah, it's details. What do you need to do with those details? Just separate this control panel in case anybody does actually. Conversation. Chat it up. Come with the chat on the right. Can you see it? Oh, you can't see it. Kind of like it like that. So I need to click on the instance types, and then we're looking into the instance types. There's 3 of them, it looks like. So we're going to go back here, instance types. So see a whole bunch. And then we're going to select an instance type. So there's 3. In the instance type search box, type the following 3 types and press enter after each. T3 large. Good grief, I can't do that. I'm going to here. Okay, whatever. T3, I'm just going to do T3. There's probably only one large, right? T3 dot large. And I'm going to check by it. Press enter after each. Press enter. I'm doing the wrong thing. So back here. Oh, let me just type it all the way out, sorry. T3 dot large. So I got 1. Alright, C5 large. Okay, C5 dot large. Oh, okay, they're all showing up here. I can see them now. And then R5 large. R5 large. Cool. Okay, they're all popped up. Oh! Now I just have 100 viewers. Hey, everybody. Choose the top checks box. Oh, yeah. So it's highlight everything. We're going to review them. We're going to scroll down and review the compute network and storage details. We're about to figure out what that is. There it is. Scroll this up. See how 3 have been chosen. You can see all the details. They're all large, nitro, true, supported, EBS, true. It looks like everything's the same. One difference here, burstable performance is on the T3. See, everything looks the same. Oh, here's the difference. Sustained clock speed in gigahertz. Memory. This one's bigger. The 16 is bigger than the R5. Okay. Alright. Scroll down and compare the networking and storage details. Oh, that's okay. That's what we're doing. So maximum, I don't even know what that is. IOPS. Storage maximum EOPS. Okay, we're going next. Okay, scroll down and review the pricing details. So that's the different prices. Like 10 cents per hour. Okay. And then left navigation bar, click instances. Okay, we're going back. And choose the checkbox to select the AWS Computing Solutions instance. Okay, so we're checking that. There's only one thing going. On the details under IPv4, click the copy. Okay, so we're going to copy that. Alright, so we're going to go back to instances. And scroll back over. And IPv4. Is that the one? Private IP DNS? IPv4? Public? It says public IPv4 address. I think I have a different one. There it is. So it starts at the 44. That's weird. Let's see what it looks like. This is public. It's pretty cool. Okay, and then in the left navigation bar, click Instances. Oh, okay, we already did that. Do not click the open address. Of course. Okay, now in the browser, type HTTP. That's why that's not going to work. So we got to do HTTP, not S, and then the address. Okay, so that worked. So we got the instance ID. Okay. This didn't work because it's not HTTPS. It's only HTTP. Okay, review the instance details, go to the next step. Alright, so we're going to go to connect. In the next browser tab, return to the instance page, click connect, and go to the next step. Connect. What is that? Connect to an instance using the browser-based client. So it's got a T3 micro running, US East key. Go to the next step. So here we are in the connect instance. Click the SSH client tab. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Client. And we review the requirements to connect. So look here, and then in the warning alert, review the key pair message. Because no SSH key pair was... Oh, hey, we got some more viewers. In the warning alert, review the key pair message. Oh, go down here, easy to instance connect tab. Okay. So that looks a little different. Oh, we gotta go to SSH client. My bad. Go back to the top. SSH client right here. There we go. So it says open SSH client, run your private key file, run the command chmod. This usually changes, what do you call it? Like read write stuff. Connect to your instance using its public DNS. Alright, and it says this instance is not associated with key pair. And we are going to EC2 instance connect. Okay, we were just reviewing these two. EC2 instance connect. Back to this. So that was just get it in your brain. We're back down to just 100 viewers. Alright, so for instance ID, let's see. Keep the default choice of connect using public ID. Oh yeah, just keep it public, because I gotta get to it, right? EC2 instance connect, containing the command line shell, opens a new browser. Go to the next tab. Okay, so connect here, and it opens another tab. Alright, to change the application directory in the terminal window, I guess that's where I'm going next. Yep. Wow, that's so cool. Alright, to change the application directory in the terminal window at the command prompt, run command and press enter. CD sample app. So we're going to CD into it. That's so awesome. Alright, CD sample app. I just press tab. So we're in it. What do we see in here? iCache, app.py. Maybe we can run that. So ls. Oh, I always do ls. I want to see what's inside every time. We're going to run tail-f AWS Compute Solutions. So to view the files in the sample app, run ls. I think that's lists something. To check the instance log, run tail-f. That sounds familiar. Okay. Tail. Help. Let's see what that says. Help tail. Let's see what tail does. I can't remember how to look it up. Okay, so tail-f. AWS Compute Solutions. AWS Compute Solutions.log. So I think this gets the end of the logs. So it's running AWS Compute Solutions log. And we I can't remember. Okay, that's a log here. Let's see about Gemini. Maybe Gemini can help me out here. What is the command tail-f? I can't remember. So, tail command normally outputs the last 10 lines of a file. Adding the -f follow tag tells the terminal to keep the file open and watch. Ooh, it's watching. We're looking at the last 10 lines of a file. Last 10 lines. So when I ran that, info root instance ID that's the 1243. I think that's what's going on here. 1243, yep. Availability zone, yep. Workzug, what is that? Get HTTP. Now we got 404, that's an error. Family is T3 micro, and then it's going again. So it's keeping it open. So here's a grep. If you're looking for specific errors, just say timeout, you can pipe it. Grep timeout. Well, that's cool. I love scripts. I love scripts. Scripts are powerful. Okay. Go to the next step. Review the logs. To quit, press Control-C. To return to the instance page on the EC2 console, close the current browser tab. I'll just close it. I guess it doesn't matter. It's kind of sad. Canceling it. Can you just save it or anything? I see it. It looks the same. Run, review. Okay. Edit user data. So we're going to go Actions, Instance Settings, and Edit User Data. Actions, Instance, Edit User Data. Close that. Actions, Instance Settings, Edit User Data. Okay. So now I see the user data here. And for current user data, review the commands, click Cancel. I'm just looking a lot today. So I see all the commands here. In bash, make directory name, here it is, AWS S3, make directory, AWS S3, let me just actually do this really quick. I'm going to copy that. Hey, what's this? So AWS S3 CP, where's this command line, of course. CP is copy operation. Oh, yeah, that's right. Within the S3. Simple storage service. Let's make it S3 fun. The source is the S3 lab. and the destination is the home. Source and destination. Oh, copy from here to here. Okay. Cool. Continue. 17. In the left navigation pane, click instances. Click instance. State. Sorry. Instances. Instance state. Stop instance. If the stop instance is not available, make sure the AWS computing solution instance is selected. This is going to be selected. So we're going to get it out of that. I have to cancel that. Oh yeah, I did cancel that. Instances, instance state, stop. Up. Instances, instance state, and stop. Stop. It's a stop. Okay, and then you kept stopping it. I went ahead. In the success alert, review the message under instance state. Review to confirm that the instance is stopped. Wait until stop is displayed before you proceed. For the stop instance on the details tab, review to confirm that the public IPv4 address and DNS are now empty. These two need to be empty. Here we go. So it's successfully stopped. I'll refresh. And these should disappear. Stopping, it says. Let's see what I do if I refresh this. This should be knocked out too. Okay, you might need to wait 1 or 2 minutes, click the instance refresh, go to the next step. So then we're going to go to instance setting, change termination protection. You can change your instance with different options such as type, termination protection, and shutdown behavior. Actions, instance settings. Choose instance settings, review the available options. Oh, it didn't say click on that, it just says review. Okay. Click instance state to expand the drop-down list. To start instance, go to the next step. We just reviewed. Start instance. We're gonna go back. See, it's dead again. So go to actions, instance settings. You have a lot, so you can change. Instance state, start instance. Oh, there is a public IPv4 and public DNS. It's gone. So initiated. Successfully initiated, but it's not up yet. So it is pending. So we started. Review those, come back. And go next step. Congratulations, you completed the back. Okay, and then go to DIY. Okay. So I'm gonna do that here. Our test server will verify your EC2 instance is configured as M4 large. Wait, what? Change the EC2 instance to a larger M4 large. Keep to actions, settings, change instance type. So I can't do it now because it started, so I need to stop it. So now it's killing it again. Oh, back and forth. I get it now. Okay, so it's up. So this is probably working. Oh, but it is stopped. So it is stopping. Oh my goodness. Time for a drink. I'm ready for bed. This is a good bedtime story. That was fun. Okay, it's dead. And so this one should be stopped. It says stopping still, but actions, settings. I gotta wait for it to completely stop before I change the instance type. So we're gonna go here. That's what they were hinting at. Right here, you can change something. There's a lot of steps for just look around. There's a lot of review. I don't know what the point of this is. I guess it tells you that it's the type. You can see here T3 micro. So you can check multiple ways. I think that's what they're trying to get you to do. Right here. Stopped actions, instance settings. Then I can change the type. Wait, what? What? Change EC2 instance type. Our test server will verify EC2 instance type is configured as M4 large. You do not have permission to start. Oh, there's a really good hint here. Your DIY task is to configure the instance type. Change only. You do not have permission to start the M4 large instance type. So that's the hint. Permissions. So you're looking around instance types, and it's not one of the allowed ones. So we need to go into instance types. That's why. Okay, so here we go. Hey, what's up?全部終わり？そっちへ。みんなどうしまってる？いいよ、俺寝るときドア閉める。おやすみ。Right, M4 large is here. Did I need to do anything with that? Let's go back. So it should be choose the top, select the 3 instance types, and review. Is there an action I need to take? So there's the M4 large, that's what I need to turn it into. Let's turn it into M4 large. I need permissions. Let's run the pricing, that doesn't matter. Instance, review, return. Oh, we've got a bunch of people in the chat. Hey, what's up? If you talk, I will respond. IPv4. Change mod, there it is. Run this command if necessary. Okay, so I need to go into connect instance. Let's go instances. We're gonna go to, where is that? Connect instance, connect instance. Still stopping. Where is that? Go back one. There it is. Instances connect. Oh, I can't. It must be running. Okay, so I gotta turn on action because I can't change the type. I've got to start it, and then I gotta connect to it. Okay. So I start it, turn it, connect it. Everybody in the chat. I don't know exactly what you want to learn, but I'm just going through this really quick. This is fun. So when I connect, I go to SSH client, and here it tells you basically what to do. To ensure your key is not publicly viewable, connect your instances. This, let me just run through. Keep it public, that's fine. And I can run something. What can I run? Edit user data. Make directory now. Stop, start. Oh, it's getting harder. It's getting harder. Okay, it's running. I need to connect. Refresh. It's running. Okay, cool. So if I click here, I should be able to connect. Okay, cool. Connect. SSH client. There's the IPv4 public. Session manager, SSH client. So I think so this is just not publicly viewable. I need the one where I can change permission. I'm pretty sure that's the change mod. Man, this is hard. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Everybody's also 100 people watching. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Okay, so I need to change the instance type in Amazon EC2, but right now I'm not able to. It is blocked out. I'm having a problem where I don't have permission to change to an M4 large. I can see lots of different things. I'll just paste what I can see in the connect. I think it's got to be here. In the below. Let's see. It gotta be so hot, man. Why it's grayed out. Okay, so they're locked. So like the instance, stop instance. So even when the instance is stopped, it's grayed out. I don't think I have permission to change the instance type. How do I change the permissions? Okay, so since you're using a lab stack environment like the AWS Academy, all right, let's see this. Find your role. I gotta search for IAM? Are you serious? Is that what this is? IAM. Find my role. So here's the lab user. User groups. User. Roles. What's my role? AWS lab user. What? 21 roles. Let's see here. Are you sure that wasn't in the instructions? But here's what I see in IAM. I think AI doesn't know what this is. I think I'm going down a rabbit hole. Go back to EC2. Instances. Actions. Instance settings. Change instance type. Stop it. Stop it. I go to thinking. I think there's got to be something else to change permissions. I'm going to stop this instance and copy below. Yeah, I think I'm stuck. I hate it. I'm stuck. Okay, so it's still stopped being. It's connected. Stopped. I can change the type now? What? Okay, so there's the T3 micro. And I need, which one? M4 large. Gosh, M4 large. I don't know what I changed. I don't know what I did. I don't know how I did it, but I stopped the instance and now I can change the type. Now I'll paste below. Yeah, I don't know what changed. Anyways, here it is. I'll just change the instance type to M4 large. It's changed, and then I need to start it up. How did I get the instance type permission? Okay, let me just start it up. Start the instance, and then it'll be done. What did it say? You did it by stopping the instance. Unlock the ability to swap the hardware. But I didn't have it a minute ago. Going from 1 gigabyte to 8. Sample out much more smoother. Cost jump from a penny to 10 cents. So it's a 10-time increase. Some more performance. It goes from burstable to moderate. So your connection speed will be more consistent. Hit change. Change and start it up. Find the new IP. That was my old IP. Watch the Reaper. The Lab Reaper role you saw earlier might notice the high cost instance. Make sure you stop the instance when you're finished. I love that. That is so cool. I didn't even notice that. Okay, refresh. It's running. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh over here. Oh wait, no, I gotta take this public 226. Is that? Let's go to HTTP :/226. Okay, so it is M4 large. We're gonna go to the Cloud Quest. We got our instance. I'll just copy it from here. Either one's fine. And now we're gonna put it here. We're gonna validate, and we are done. Oh my god, that feels good. Yay. Okay, let's figure out how did I do that. Okay, so explore these two instance types: filter, connect, view, start and stop, change it to larger. I'm gonna go back over here and I'm going to stop it. Stop those 10 cents. I swear that wasn't possible. I think I went download it. That's a cool memory. Give us feedback, sure. What feedback? I like it. Okay. Change. I don't know. Let's continue on. teleport to the oh nope. What did that person? That person's like, yay, talk to me. I talk to him, but with my VR headset, it's real weird. I don't think we need that. I don't think we need the VR headset on. Wow, the scheduler works great now. Our school is running like a well-oiled machine. I'm glad to be of service. Here's your reward. Oh, I gotta get something. Okay, so I got a soccer field. Soccer field. Tennis courts. It's like medieval over here. That's actually pretty cool too. Looks like horses going back and forth and stuff. It's like a school. This one's like a school and something else. I don't know. I think I'll just go with this one. Collect. Basketball. You leveled up. I'm a new builder. See, it's bad. Okay. So, what's over here? It says Cloud Economics and Network Concepts. I kind of want to zoom out and see the world real quick. This is fun. We're doing the whole place medieval, it looks like. It's like really dark. It's like growing crops. I like that. There's like a whole bunch of those. Maybe one of those. I want all the same. Yeah, I want some variety. The medieval themes here. Medieval or there's like Stonehenges everywhere. Yeah. I might need the Stonehenges. Bye. Cool. That looks cool. Through it. Just look at it from afar. Doggy. Oh, there's a dog or something. Cat? Okay, so which statement accurately describes cloud computing? Yeah. Code runs in several places. IT resources are delivered over the internet on demand with pay-as-you-go pricing. Yeah, do that. Well done. Zazzy has become more friendly. Wasn't that Zazzy? Just stuff locked. I don't know what the point of the pets are. I see something over here. It might be a Zazzy. I think it's Zazzy vibe. which location option can be selected when launching an EC2 instance. Region. Which location? I'm gonna guess availability zone. Yeah, dude. So here's the zones or locations. Is that the question? Which location option? I'm just gonna say ability zone. Yeah. Small friendly. Alright. I need to read it. I'm gonna go networks. I'm gonna set this up for next time. Yeah, I gotta get rid of these buildings. Not rid of them, but transformed them. Oh, there's my new network guy. Oh, just went through somebody. What am I doing? What? That's so weird. So I'm gonna talk to you face to face. This open dialogue is really cool. I'm gonna try it a little bit and then go back. Yeah. I'm gonna put my ears on. Let's see if I can hear a little bit. I heard you're an AWS specialist. Could you please help me determine the best AWS services for my company's needs? Okay. What are your needs? You gotta figure it out. What do you need? We're a bank that needs to establish secure network communications between our internal resources and the internet while ensuring our web is a good communication. I can't do this right now. I can go to sleep. Alright. Good night, everybody. Until next time.